Excuse me, miss. What is going on here?
It's a walk that benefits the Humane Society, and there's tons of people and animals. And
22 years we've been doing a dog walk and animal walk in the park and down by the river.
And who are these canines?
this is Riku. He's a Labradoodle. And this is Buddy, he's a black lab. And then this is my little dog Zoe here, and she is a rescue from a Humane Society up north. And I'm not sure what she is.
Really?
She's a mixed dog.
What kind of dog are you? Are you a unicorn?
It's a dog walk, but there are people that are walking without animals, and I think some people actually brought their cats.
Cats? Where are the cats? Not here.
We need volunteers in about 5 different areas.
Really?
The volunteers to work with dogs, volunteers to work with cats, and to work in our clinic to help out with surgeries, volunteers for events like these, and also when we have pets out at other locations. Lots of opportunities for volunteers.
I'm exhausted. I am so tired. So tired. Are you coming? Come on, Barney, you can do it. Where? What? Metallic, blue, green, let me see, metallic, blue, green,
Anything for fundraising for animals, which are little angels on earth,
Right.
I think is a fantastic thing. They need all the help that they can get.
Ciao.
If you want more information about adopting an animal or about the Humane Society, you can go to our website, which is southwesthumane.org, or you can come out and visit us on 192nd, Tuesday through Sunday from noon to 6.